Today I will release all my blockages of money. I am going to release today. So what? Today we are doing releasing money energy blockages with Ho'oponopono. Repeat after me. Today we are going a meditation, guided meditation. आपको मेरे साथ मेडिटेशन करना है, ठीक है? Sit comfortably. Just relax. Put your face upward. Focus on your shoulder. Take a deep breath and take a breath is happiness, joy, and out of anxiety, nervousness, stress. Breathe in peace and harmony. Breathe out negativity, fear, doubts, confusion. Keep your eyes closed. Visualize yourself in a parallel universe surrounded with beautiful light. It can be light of your favorite color that is surrounding you. It is the divine light of the universe. Universe loves appreciation. Universe loves forgiveness. Universe loves kindness. Universe loves trust. Innermost care of our heart, of your soul, forgiveness, gratitude, as we vibrate in the power of love and forgiveness, right here, right now. Universe is blessing us with whatever we want. This is the moment. This is the time to clean whatever we want. Eagerly grateful for all the opportunities of all the abundance flowing into your life. Connect with this bright light that is shining above you. Let us focus and be present in this moment. We are energetically one. We are transferring our vibrations to each other, to the universe, to our inner core, to our inner child, to our inner self. Visualize yourself being the version of you want to be. Visualize money raining over you with love, with happiness and gratitude. Receive it. It's falling over you. It's gifted by the universe. Coming through the universe. Visualize well surrounding you with the feeling of ease and comfort. Release any stress, worries from your soul. Visualize wealth in the form of maybe luxurious home, luxurious car. Visualize your house, balcony. You want to have the kitchen. You want to have the large mirror on your washroom, the tiles feel it. Visualize you being on a stage and speaking with millions of people, impacting their lives and attracting abundance into your life. Visualize writing big checks to donate for an orphanage of a woman empowerment, of a mental health, wellness, whatever is your cause, choose it. Visualize yourself wearing the outfit that you love, inspiring people, isn't it? Beautiful. You can have what you want, it is possible. Now, gradually, think about your fear, your doubts, the limiting beliefs, the worries that is blocking you from becoming this version. And so say to this, your higher power, this divine power, to the universe, firmly, with conviction and joy. I take 100% responsibility for having these limiting beliefs towards money, this money situation in front of me. Think about any money problem that you are going through, saying, I am taking 100% responsibility for having this feeling of lack of money and scarcity. I am taking charge of to clean on my data any past memories that has manifested as money concerns. Concentrate loans in my life. Dear money, I am sorry. Dear money, thank you. Dear money, I love you. I really, really love you. Money loves me. Visualize the holding the green color note in your hand and send so much love, so much gratitude to money and believe that money loves you back. Please fill your relationship with money, with my debts, loans, with my investments. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. For cleaning of my all fears, all worries, anxieties around money. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. To clean my confusion, my doubts around investments, around money. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, money, making the best investment for me. I love you, dear money. for whatever you do for me. Visualize money flowing to you for any past memories that acts like a blockage in receiving the amount of money that I want for, that I'm sorry. Please forgive me for not knowing what memories inside of me that blocking the moment, the amount of money that I want to manifest. Please forgive me for my limiting beliefs, my erroneous thoughts towards money. I'm really, really sorry if I have created any cause in the past or in the present that is erroneous around the money. Please forgive me that holding on to your past memories which creates anxiety around money, judgment around money. I release all the blockages, I release all the resentments, all my fears around money right here, right now. Now visualize a circle around you. This is the limiting beliefs or the data that is stopping you having the money that you want. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.